In this video, we're going to take a look at the new Echo Buds second generation. To be honest, I didn't really like the first gen Echo Buds, so I was a little hesitant on getting these. I figured, hey, let's try them out and see how they are. This new second gen Echo Buds has active noise cancellation. Obviously, it's going to work with Alexa. The version I have here is with the wireless charging case, and you can get these in black or white. They're advertising 5 hours of music playback and up to 15 hours with the charging case. You can also mute the mics in the Alexa app, and apparently they heard a lot of people say that their first gen was too big. So these are smaller and lighter, and they're also sweat resistant. And you get 2 hours of use with only 15 minutes of quick charging. So that's definitely nice to see. Pretty nice packaging here, as always with Amazon stuff. So you've got a quick start guide, tips and tricks, and important information. So you've got some different size ear tips and wing tips included. Always nice to see that. For me, the ear tips that come on the earbuds usually fit pretty good, but I always like to see they give you other options. Pretty long USB-C charging cable. Somewhat compact charging case here. Indicator light there on the front. You've got your pairing button and charging port there on the back. And just to make sure, this is the one with wireless charging. Okay, yep, it is. Okay, so yeah, these look totally different than the first gen Echo Buds. And yeah, these look really good in person, in my opinion. You get a nice reddish accent color there on the inside, 2 microphones, and the little Amazon smile icon. Looks like you just hold down the pairing button. When setting these up, you can use the Alexa app, and it's going to give you some tips and tricks on getting the correct fit and what some of the controls are, such as double tap to go to the next track, triple tap for a previous song, and you can toggle the ANC and pass through by just pressing and holding. It's also got Find My Alexa in case you lose these. And it also has Workout with Alexa. You can also get a 30-day free trial for Audible in case you don't have that already.
Welcome to your Echo Buds. I have a few tips to share, like you can ask me for your battery level, or to turn on noise cancellation. You can ask me to stop at any time.
And of course, there's just going to be a ton of stuff you can do with this using Alexa. I'm not going to go too deep into that in this video, but it's really nice to see you've got plenty of options here. Nice thing is you can switch between ANC and pass-through. You can also mute the microphones through here, which is nice. And you can also do workouts. Let's do a quick test on how these fit. Okay, so these actually fit pretty good in the ear. Nice thing is you take these out and it stops playing music. To me, I think that should be pretty standard on all earbuds by now, but believe it or not, it's not. Let's try one earbud at a time real quick. Okay, it seems to work with the right earbud. Starts playing right away, so that's nice. Okay, so I'm definitely liking this second gen better than the first gen already, and it's really nice to see you can use one earbud at a time while the other one's charging. I think I'm gonna go ahead and test these out for a while, come back and give you my final thoughts, and let you know if I think these new Echo Buds are worth your money. Okay, so after testing these for a while, I noticed these are a lot louder than, say, the new Pixel Buds A series that I'm also testing out at the same time. Bass is really good on these, but not overbearing like some cheaper earbuds can be. They also have some nice and clean vocals, and whether you're listening to podcasts or music or watching videos, I think most people are gonna like how these sound. One of the biggest improvements to me is the size and fit of these, which are really good and doesn't feel like they're gonna fall out when doing light exercise. They're not super slim or anything, but much better and more comfortable than the previous gen Echo Buds. ANC and pass-through functions are really easy to use. You just hold down for a couple seconds on the left or right earbud, and the ANC blocks out most surrounding noises like fan noise. Just keep in mind, it's not gonna block out everything. And the batteries didn't die during my testing, so I'll have to do a little more testing on that. But my first impressions overall of these new Echo Buds are, yeah, they're actually pretty pretty good and worth it to me. Nice thing is there didn't seem to be too much lag or delay when watching videos on my cell phone using these. Whether you need these for traveling on an airplane or just want to upgrade from your first gen Echo Buds that you may feel are a little too large. I don't know, I might even like the sound on these a little bit better than the new Pixel Buds A series. Although that could change once I use both earbuds a little bit longer.
So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.